Alright, let's talk asthma and more importantly, how you can actually breathe better, even when you don't have your inhaler handy. Now I'm not saying you should ditch your medication, never do that without a doctor's say-so. But what if I told you there are proven breathing techniques you can add to your toolkit to help you get through those rough moments? Let's start with the Buteyko method. This technique was developed in Russia in the 1950s, and it's all about reducing the amount of air you breathe in. Sounds weird, right? But hear me out. The theory is, if you breathe more slowly and gently, you can help open up your airways and make breathing feel less tight. Here's how you do it. First, sit comfortably and relax your shoulders. Take a small breath in through your nose, then a small breath out, again, through your nose. Now pinch your nose and hold your breath for as long as is comfortable. When you need to breathe again, let go and breathe quietly through your nose. The key is to keep your breathing soft and controlled. People who use Buteyko say it helps reduce asthma symptoms and makes them feel calmer when they're short of breath. And science backs that up. A bunch of studies show this method can actually reduce the number of asthma attacks and help you use your inhaler less. Next up, diaphragmatic breathing. You probably know this one as belly breathing. Instead of letting your chest do all the work, you use your diaphragm, the big muscle under your lungs. You can try this lying down or sitting up. Put one hand on your chest, the other on your stomach, breathe in slowly through your nose. You want your stomach, not your chest, to rise as you inhale. Then, breathe out slowly through pursed lips, feeling your stomach fall. This helps your lungs fill up completely, and it can make you feel more in control when you're struggling for air. I'll be honest, not every technique works for everyone. And when you're having a real asthma attack, always use your rescue inhaler. But practicing these methods every day can help you feel less anxious and improve your overall breathing. So, can you control asthma without inhalers? Not completely. But with Buteyko and diaphragmatic breathing, you can take a bit more control of your breath and your life. Remember, always talk to your doctor before making any changes. Your health comes first. Thanks for watching, and as always, breathe easy.